Hey guys, it's me, Lactose Nightfall. And today, my chickens are around 21 weeks old now. And they are just playing outside, and I'm letting the babies play with them. I know that, the white ones have a little bit of an issue with babies. So hopefully they can sort it out. They seem to be coming out now. I know Zimba is out. Looks like Shadow, previously known as Gigi, is also playing. Yeah, they went back in. But Gigi's still out. But anyways, yep, so far I have around 9 eggs. I believe the white ones are laying, and Blackbird definitely is. Acorn probably has a little while longer. We're checking Zimba. There's Zimba. It's behind there. Anyways. Looks like Blackbird is grazing over there. But yeah, they're around 21 weeks right now. The babies are a smaller number. I'm not sure how much. Probably like 9 weeks, 10 maybe. I'm gonna leave this open more in case they want to come out. But it seems like these guys are pretty much very close to full maturity. They're like adolescent. If you know what these holes are, they're little pits that they use for dust bathing, so they can get clean. They also enjoy it. Looks like Olaf's coming out over there. Hey Olaf. I see Zimba back there. Try to get Zimba out of there. Zimba. Don't want to go the rest of the way. Hey Corn. Let's check on Zimba back there. Okay. Just eating the grass. Boys, they're outside. One of them at least is outside. That's good. They're eating the grass. Uh-oh. Oh, going for a run. And if you're wondering where they lay eggs, it depends. A lot of the times they lay it, either in the coop or in the run. Mostly at nighttime they lay it in the little coop. And Blackbird will pretty much always lay in the coop, but not always. Just a lot of the time. But in the run they lay it sometimes. But if they're outside and they want to lay an egg, they'll just find a safe place and start laying. Yeah, And my first four are definitely getting really big. You could tell, an acorn especially, they're just huge. When acorn starts to lay, her eggs gonna be a lot bigger. Oh, hey, Zimba. You playing out here? Don't bother her, acorn. Well, looks like they're enjoying the inside of the other coop. Oh, definitely, yeah. They're both in there, both the white ones. Well, I'll give them an escape possibility. Hey, Blackbeard. Are you trapped, Zimba? Hey. Very nice. Yeah, go up there. Don't know why you follow after your enemy. Yeah, I definitely hear some. Are you fighting them or something? Wouldn't recommend it. But they wouldn't really fight. It's more of a asserting dominance. Okay, yeah, you can definitely hear them doing things. Where's Olaf? I only see two of them. There he is. Okay. He's staying there. Oh, no, evidently not. Come on out. Okay, I'm just gonna sit down so they can start coming out here. Come on, guys. Everyone, come here. Good girls. Hi, Acorn. You're so pretty. And if you haven't yet, seen my new trailer if you'd like. And in the comments, you can like, subscribe, hit the bell, and suggest anything you want me to do or say. Any questions you might have, I'll answer them, as long as they're not too bad. And it's a good place to start. Head off. Bye, guys.